All right, so we are on the third week of Carnival Liberty, and today I am in Stateroom 1017, and I'm gonna go find that somewhere. Oh, here's a little map. Let's see. We're here. Where's 1017? Okay, gotta make a right and then a left, and this way, almost to the front of the ship. Odd numbers. Here we go, 1017. I already have my key from the back-to-back cruise. And let's see if it's any different from the other two cabins I've had. Or not. I got the green light. Alright. And my luggage is already here. Woo! Oh, it is different. Oh, wow. So all three of these cabins are totally different. Let's see. And, of course, the bed is still together. It's one big bed. So let me get my luggage off. Not luggage. What is this stuff on me? My chair down. I got my cell phone. My backpack. And my water bottle. And my purse. Alright, so this part is definitely different, this extra bed there. So it looks like this cabin holds 3, whereas the first one I was in, 8354, held 2 people. The last one I was in had 2 bunk beds, 2 uppers, and so it held 4. And this one holds 3. So it has 1 upper. That's pretty big though, huh? Yeah, so let's take a tour of the room. One thing I can tell right off the bat that is different that I do like is the lamps have USB ports on them. Okay. I don't know what the difference is in the lights. It's not, it doesn't seem like it's bright or anything. So yeah, that is great. I'm going to be under the assumption that they work. Otherwise, I'll put something up on the screen if they don't work. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So 7 days. If I see my cabin steward, I'm definitely going to ask him to separate the beds. But these lamps look just as old as the ones in the last 2 cabins, but they do look a little different. Not sure why they are different. We still have art on the wall. It's a little different, but still the same type of art. Everything else is still the same. Let's move this over here. Let's see, snack cabinet and not safe. You had to see my other 2 cabinets to know what the heck I'm talking about. This drawer sticks a little, It's okay. Sticks a little. We have a bench, a 1-seater bench instead of a full desk chair. We have just the one outlet, a 110 and a 220. We got the light switch, which this operates this light and that one over there. Okay. We got Shaq always doing something on the screen. Who knows? We got our adjustable table, which I do love. 2 pool towels. Do we have a fridge? Yay! All right, so all 3 cabins for me. I don't know what these things are. It looks like it's supposed to be dividers, but they're never in the right spot. All 3 fridges, all 3 cabins that I've had on this ship had a fridge, and this one is super cold. So I know it's just a cooler and not a refrigerator, but it's super cold, so I'm happy about that. It is hot in this room. Not sure why, because the thermostat is all the way down. Let's check out the bathroom. Alrighty. Looks like the same as my last bathroom. It does not have the adjustable shower. Oh, wait. There's an adjustment on here. Alright. So we do have an adjustable. The other one didn't have this lever on it, but this one does, so I like that. And then, let's see. Am I going to be able to adjust this? Yep, press this in. Move that up like that. and this comes off. So, all right, kind of a combo of the last two staterooms I had. One had an adjustable, one didn't. This one's different, but it does have the adjustable thing. Let's see. One thing I don't like about this shower, I'm gonna see if I can get a maintenance request in, but the water does not drain out of this shower, or I shouldn't say it doesn't drain. It drains super, super slow. As you can see, the water's just sitting there, and it's probably about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches deep. So yeah, that sucks. It's weird. It doesn't retract. Does it even work? It does work over there, but I guess the spring has sprung out of it. What else? What else? What else? I like these little mirrors that they have. This one's clean. My last one was kind of dusty. Probably something that they overlook when they're cleaning the bathrooms. Not too many people probably worry about that. And we have plenty of counter space, which I love. I won't be using this cruise because they do have laundry facilities on board, which if you check out my ship tour, you'll see the different laundry rooms that they have and where they're located. And that sink does still work though. All right, plenty of towels. No, we don't have hand towels. Wait, yes we do. 2 smalls right there. Okay. 2 hand towels, 2 face towels, and looks like 3 large towels. So I have to check out my stateroom attendant on that. They didn't update no toilet tissue, so we need some more of that. Everything else looks good in this bathroom. In case someone is looking at this for the first time, they also have these towel hooks, something to put your towel, your robe, your bathing suit on, or whatever. If you are going to be able to use your towel again, they want for you to hang it up. Otherwise, just throw it on the floor and it will be exchanged. All right, what we got here? Let's see what the closets are all about. Okay, we have our safe and some trash somebody left in here. Alrighty, we have 2 of the life jackets here. We have a full-length mirror here. Second closet, we have some hangers. So put some shoes and other stuff. And the third one, boom, bam, 2 life jackets. So it has 4 life jackets. I wonder if this room was meant to have 4 people in that one, 2 people in that smaller bed. It's kind of small, maybe for 2 kids. But it does have the ladder, so yeah, I have to look it up to see if this room cabin was meant for 3 or 4. If I can remember to do that before I do the editing, I will make sure that I make a note about that. All right, so that is it, y'all. This is where I will be for the next 7 days. My last 7 days here on Carnival Liberty. So if you have any comments or questions regarding this cabin or any of the cabins that I've had, or questions about what they do in the room, as far as you know, what you can get, like room service, for instance. I didn't know that they had a breakfast room service. When I scanned the cue card, it only showed lunch or dinner from 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. So I was under the impression they didn't have breakfast, but you actually have to wait until 6 a.m. for the new menu to show up. And that's when you'll see the breakfast menu. So it's kind of odd to me. I'm used to having a hard copy of the menu in the room, but they don't have that. I'll check and see if they actually have them, and they just don't give them to you unless you ask for them. If I can remember to do that, I will put that up on the screen. Other than that, they have these QR directories for different things that you can look up things. So you do need to have a smartphone if you are going to do anything, not anything, but it'll help with a lot of different things for you to just go ahead and scan. All right, other than that, hope to see y'all on the next cruise. Thanks for watching. Ooh, I forgot that they send you, how did I forget just that quick? It's only been a week. They sent me some goodies. Yep, because I'm a back-to-back cruiser. Let's see. Yep, same goodies. I actually ate all of my goodies last time except for the pear. Not really a pear person. I may do it. I did give my, whatever this is, alcohol, away on the last cruise. So I gotta see if I can find somebody who drinks alcohol who would appreciate that bottle. But yeah. Woohoo. my cabinet still only has one bed. I haven't seen my stateroom stored yet, so I'm going to put in a housekeeping request. I don't know. I guess I gotta call housekeeping. Yeah, I'm gonna call them and put the request in because I haven't met or seen any housekeepers. Yay! So I just got back from dinner and I see that he has separated the beds. Yay! Interesting. I thought he would push that one all the way up under, but no. But this is fine. This works for me. I can put my luggage and stuff over there and I can sleep on this bed. So, woohoo! This is what the stateroom will look like when you have two separate beds.